Before cataract surgery, for the most part, I was wearing glasses. I wore glasses for almost 15 years, actually. I noticed a major decline in vision probably after 43. My close-up was completely shot. There was no way that I could see serial numbers. I was moving back and forth with, the screen, the computer screen, excuse me, and driving at nighttime was borderline painful. My vision now, after having the ClearView 3, perfect. It's as close to perfect as it's gonna get. It's perfect to me, not by number. My vision right now is 2020, 2025. That's as good as it's gonna get, and that as good as I really wanted it. My close-up is incredible. My intermediate, great. My distance is even better. I think the biggest perk, or just that I am so excited, is that I'm able to drive at night. The headlights are not a bother at all. Back to nighttime driving, I am completely comfortable. It took a while because you got to bear in mind that it was well over 14 years of completely shying away or finding an excuse not to. And so I am completely fine with saying, okay, road trip, let's go. It doesn't bother me what time, or we can drive at night, which I always preferred anyway. With the traffic in Florida, you want to travel at nighttime. It's just best. And so I am completely comfortable with my driving and just being able to not have those lights really bother me so much. The adjustment period was, I think for the most part, you're looking for the sweet spot. It was really, really smooth transition for me. Quite pleased.